Guess what? I actually tried making money from freelancing and it worked. Like, I mean, you need to see me the very first day I actually got paid my first money. I mean, this is not money I physically worked for. This is like money that came from the online space. It felt so good. So if you really want to start making money in the online space, this video is definitely for you. So make sure to watch this video to the very end so you can learn how I also made money from the online space through freelancing. Forget about tap on a website, tap on links that people are telling you guys that if you do them, you can be able to make money. What we are going to be talking about in this video is realistic ways you can make money, because the honest thing right here is that I myself, when I was trying to figure out how I can be able to like make money in the online space, a lot of people were lying and it didn't feel good. You know, you are actually looking for a solution to your problem and then somebody just using you to actually get views for themselves. It does not feel good, and this is not something I would do to you. So in this video we're going to be talking about real ways, things that I've really done myself that I'm very very sure that if you do them you're going to be able to like start making money from it. So first of all, let's talk about making money in the online space. There are two things that you need to know if you are really serious about making money in the online space. The number one thing that you need to know is that you must be able to like believe that you can make this money in the online space. I am literally very big on mindset, the way you think, you get me? Something can actually be working, but if you don't believe it, because you don't believe it, it might never work out for you. So that is why we are going to talk about it. So if you are someone that you really want to make money in this online space, but you are yet to believe it, you are doubting it, you think that we are just like blabbing or we are just clouting, you really need to fix that mindset, because you're not going to partake in a miracle that you don't believe in. I know this might not be a miracle. We are talking about ways you can be able to like realistically make money online, right? But you have to believe that it actually works for you to be able to like make this money. You cannot get what you don't believe, right? You have to make sure that you believe that you can be able to make this money, because before I was able to start making money in the online space, deep down inside this heart of mine, I knew that making money online is actually real. If people can be making money offline, people can definitely make money online. The only thing is to figure out how you can be able to make that money, which I'm going to be telling you. So now make sure that you fix your mindset into believing that you can make this money. Now, the second thing you need to do is to be serious about making money online. See, nothing good comes easy. It doesn't mean that it's difficult. It doesn't mean that it's very easy. You are not going to get it at the snap of a finger. But the truth is that you have to get serious about, making money online. If you're not serious, the money is not going to be serious with you. So if you really want to make money in the online space, you have to be serious about wanting to make money. You have to be serious about trying to make money in the online space and trying to do what it takes to be able to like make money in the online space. Now let's talk about freelancing. Freelancing, it might be a term that you have heard about before. It's very, very common, but I really want to break it down. Freelancing is as simple as you are exchanging a skill that you have for money. Like you tell someone that I can do this, and that person really wants someone that can do that for them. And then you tell the person that if I do this for you, you have to pay me. That is exactly what freelancing is. But in today's world, why freelancing is really existing is because you don't have to be an offline thing. You don't have to go look for these people. These people are already coming in the online space to look for people that have the skill that they want, so that they can pay those people that have that particular skill, so that those people that have those particular skill can help them get a job done. Do you understand? Now, skills that you can use to make money from freelancing is so freaking big. I don't even know where to get started, but we are going to talk about the basics. We are going to start from writing. If you are somebody that you like to write, you like to copyright, you like to tell stories, there are people that will just come in the online space looking for someone that could be able to like write for them so they can pay them. Now, let me tell you a story. The first time I started freelancing my first pay actually came from writing. And I think that is basically why I mentioned it. I mean, like, I didn't even know why I had to start from writing, but maybe it's because of that was the first thing I did to be able to make money. And now ask me what I wrote. I was writing CVs, cover letters, resumes. People reached out to me, people that really wanted the services, people that wanted to apply for jobs, people that wanted, a professional resume, a CV. It was just a simple write up because it's something that I know how to do. My mom is an English lecturer, so like she impacted this knowledge in me. So writing was so freaking easy for me. So it was just something, it was already a skill I had on my own. I didn't even know I can be able to start making money from it. Like, I mean, I don't have to do too much. All I had to do is that write a cover letter for someone. That is it. So that was the first skill I was able to like exchange for money. And this really made me a whole lot of money. I was blown. I was so excited. Just like as I told you in the beginning of this video, when I got my first pay, oh my God, I was like, is this even real? What have I been doing with my life all this while? So freelancing is amazing. This is one of the skills. So I'm going to go ahead to like mention other skills that you can do to make money as a freelancer. So you can consider being an editor, being a programmer, being a social media manager, being a marketer, being there is even this new one that I saw and I was like, what? Someone can actually make money doing this very easy thing. Very, very easy. Like, I mean, in fact, let me just quickly tell you this skill, people are using it to make money on freelancing sites and platforms. And the name of this skill is beta readers. That's what they call them. They are beta readers. And let me tell you, what is this beta reader all about? Beta readers are people that read a novel or a book and give reviews of what they think about it. Like, just like that. Just reading a book and giving a feedback, giving a review and a recommendation like, oh wow, I love this book. This is what I learned. Just like that. This is how these people really do make good amount of money. And I mean, they don't even charge less than $100. Okay, now let's talk about how much the people that have been like doing it for years are now charging. If someone that is just getting started can be able to like charge $100 per book that they just read, it might not even be up to like how many pages, and they just all they have to do is to review it and give a feedback on it, and they get paid nothing less than $100. Imagine how many books they get to review in a month. How much are they going to be making? $10,000 will not be far from them. Like, if we are going to be real about this. So, like, you see, freelancing is really, really fantastic. So, I'm going to recommend it for you. If you are someone that likes to read, if you are someone that likes to read books, I mean, there are so many people that have this skill. They read the book, they cannot wait to tell their friends, they cannot wait to tell their family members. You don't even know you're wasting a skill that you can use and make money. So go right now and start making money with your skill as a better reader on freelancing websites or platforms. So now the question is, what platforms can you go on and become a freelancer? I'm going to give you instances. You can go to platforms like Upwork. Upwork is really, really very popular. They have a lot of people on it. People are going on Upwork to look for people to hire to do a certain kind of thing, people that have a specific skill that they want. So you can also consider going to Fiverr. Fiverr is amazing. And the reason why I'm saying Fiverr is amazing as well is because, as I told you before, I made my first money writing cover letters and resumes. And the platform in which I made this money is Fiverr. I'm not gonna lie, like, I made my first money on Fiverr. And if you have been on Fiverr, you know how Fiverr works. Once they send your money, how Fiverr notifies you, it feels so good. Oh my god, let's not even get into that. But like, Fiverr is an amazing platform for freelancing. There are already people frequenting these platforms that I just mentioned, looking for people that have the skill that you possess to give you money, to carry out a task for them, to use your skill to make money. That's it. So you can consider going on Fiverr just like I did. So the next platform I'm going to recommend for you is freelancing.com. Amazing. Don't even miss out on this. You might even want to start off with it. I recommend it. Go on this platform, set up your account, and start making yourself good money in exchange of your services that you render. I mean, use your skill to make this money that you're looking for. So I'm going to tell you exactly how you can get started. Let's say you have zero knowledge about freelancing. I'm going to tell you the steps that you have to take to be able to like make this money, because it's not all about telling you that you can make money from freelancing. If you don't really know how to get started, you might never be able to like make that money. So I'm going to tell you how to get started. The number one thing you should do is to choose a niche. What is a niche? If you don't know what a niche is simply like a particular place you want to be, like a particular thing that you do. You cannot offer every skill, right? You have to choose a particular skill, a particular section. So in every like industry, there's always different parts to niche down to. Let's say for an instance, in digital marketing at large, you can be a copywriter, you can be a social media manager, you can be a content creator. So you have to niche down to the one that appeals so much with your personality. So if you finally choose what you want to render, you need to niche down, so that when you niche down, it's going to make it easier for people to actually like locate you, because you're not offering everything. So niche down, find out the exact thing you want to offer, something that you really really enjoy doing. Figure out exactly what you like doing, so that you can be able to be making money without stressing yourself. Not like these people that go to a work that they really hate. So if you are doing freelancing, you have to freelance with a skill that you really really enjoy. It's not going to be all about the money for you. You're not going to see the work as stress, because like you're doing something so effortlessly. So that is the importance of like you niching down. So the second thing you should do if you're getting started as a freelancer is to get clear of the services that you're rendering. As I said before, you need to be very sure of what you want to offer. You cannot be offering everything. You can't be a programmer, you can't be a designer, you can't be a marketer, you can't be a writer. You can't do jack of all trades, you get. For people to take you serious and believe that you are an expert in what you do, you have to be very, very sure of the services that you render, so that when they see it, they will just come to you direct. They will believe that you got this, you know what you are doing. Now, the third thing that you must do if you're getting started is to define who your client looks like. This is very, very important. As you are getting on these freelancing sites, platforms, you need to know the person that you are trying to attract, right? It's just like, you see, when you go to the market and you want to sell something, let's say you are selling ice cream, you need to be able to like understand the people that would be interested in buying the ice cream, so that when you see them you can be able to like, hello, I sell ice cream, because you know that they'll be interested in it. So make sure that you have a clear idea of who your future client or your prospective client is going to be. It's going to make it easier for you to attract them. Now, this fourth one is actually very, very important. I mean, like, it's going to bring in more clients for you if you do it and do it very, very well, which is building a solid portfolio. Like on these freelancing platforms, you need to like set up your account, right? You need a portfolio, so that when a client reaches out to you to like say, okay, I want the services of yours, if they are still trying to like consider between hiring you or someone else that is offering the same services that you're offering, but you show them your portfolio can be able to like convince them instantly that you are the best person that they should go to. So having a solid portfolio is in fact going to speed up the rate of you acquiring lots of clients. Now the final step that you have to take is what? Start freelancing. Don't wait till everything is perfect. Start freelancing. Once you have done every other thing that I've said, you have to start freelancing, because there is no time to waste. You want to make this money, so start freelancing. That is how you can become a freelancer and make so much money in the online space. So now we have come to the end of this video. If you made it to the end of this video, I am really, really excited for you. Like a round of applause. This simply means that you really are serious to start making money in the online space. And with these tips that I just shared with you, I believe that you can be able to like make this money once you have committed your mind into making it, because I did and it worked for me, and I'm very, very convinced that it's going to work for you. So make sure to like believe that you can be able to make this money, and also like take making money seriously. That is how you are going to achieve your goal. Was this video very helpful to you? Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment. And also, if you know any of your friends and families that are looking for ways to make money, don't keep this secret from them. Share them this video so that they can as well make money for themselves. It's always better when everyone has money, so that money can go around. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.